Guys, it's me, Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, and in today's video, guess what? I am going to be sharing with you guys some of the most common issues when it comes to your draping equipment. Let's dig in. Alright guys, so let's get started with number one, which is rust. Over time, exposure to moisture and humidity can lead to rust on any metal component of your kit. To prevent this issue, you want to store your kits in a dry environment and clean them regularly. Applying a protective coating or rust-resistant spray can really also help to extend the lifespan of your equipment, and that's going to ensure it remains in top condition. Alright guys, that brings us to number two, which is dents. Accidental impacts or heavy handling can result in dents on the pipes and drape components, right? Now, to minimize this issue, handle the equipment with care, especially during setup and takedown. You want to consider using protective padding or covers when transporting or storing your items, and that's going to reduce the risk of dents and preserving the overall appearance. Alright guys, that brings us to number three, which is getting stuck. Now, prolonged use or inadequate maintenance may really cause your telescopic pipes to become difficult to adjust or get stuck. Prevent this problem by regularly lubricating the moving parts with a suitable lubricant. Now, if the pipes still get stuck, then you can gently tap on it using a rubber mallet, and that can help loosen them without causing any damage. So there you have it, guys. Wear and tear is normal in the dent draping industry, right? If you follow any of the tips that I shared with you today, you will increase the lifespan of your equipment. Now, if you're ready to take your premium draping to the next level, head on over to our store and explore our heavy-duty draping kit today. Then be sure to check out some of our other products that's linked directly below this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. But guess what? You won't know when the next one is unless you subscribe, so be sure to hit that link below. The overall appearance. Can I just say the last word? Yeah. And that's the dents. Now, accidental, they like going real fast. I hope you guys see you over there.